Hi everyone. Today I will guide you how to do our breathing chest allergy in the early morning. This practice, please take note, we only do when we empty stomach or early morning if you eat it at least 2 hours. Then, for beginner, you can put your hand on the stomach and one hand palm up to feel your breathe in, raise up your stomach and breathe out, flattening it. Since first round, you can just slowly practice this for you feel the sequence first. Breathe in, you can see my stomach raise up and breathe out, flattening it. And after a while, you used to it already. Now we start the session. We have a 3 set and 1 set is 108 times. So you count from your heart. Deep inhale. After 108 times already, and you try to breathe normal. Deep breathe in, deep breathe out. Deep breathe in, deep breathe out. And try to practice it 2 more rounds. Deep breathe in and deep breathe out. Yes, when you start, you just try to breathe it slowly, and after you used to it already 3 rounds, count from the heart 108 times. After end 3 rounds and you already start. Can start any exercise you want. Yes. You can sit on the diamond seat or L. If you feel more comfortable, too much stretching here, you can sit on the normal like this. I guide you in 2 ways. Now one more time. Deep breathe in, deep breathe out. Deep breathe in, deep breathe out. After complete 108 times already, you just try breathe in and breathe out. Sometimes when you start, you feel a little bit tired, but it's okay. Keep continue and try to breathe the same rhythm. Same rhythm. Yeah, keep practice. Every day you will improve, have a different. If you have a block, you just sit on the block. Like this. And cross your put the knee down. And lengthening, drop the shoulder behind and try. If you don't have block, it's fine. You can sit on the pillow. It's the same thing. Okay, I just sample for you see. From here, keep deep inhale, keep deep exhale. Inhale and exhale. Try to focus in your breathing. And now you feel, if you do correct way, you feel your tummy all hot inside. Yes, gently open your eye, deep breathe in.